What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Bombardino Crocodilo from Italian Brainrot. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw a circle for the eye. Starting from the top, we're going to come all the way around and then back up. Let's draw a small circle across the top or highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom of the eye in black. Now we're going to have the brow going across the top of the eye. So we're going to step over towards the left, going up, round this out, and then come down towards the back. On the left side of the eye, we're going to draw the brow. We're going to come down and then hook that up. Now let's tuck the head in behind the brow. We're going to step up, curve this across, down, and then out. Now we want to draw the left side brow in behind the head, going up and then down on top. Let's add the front of the muzzle. We're going to step down, going up, round this out, and then come down towards the mouth. And we'll draw the top edge of the mouth, going across, down. We'll bend that up to create a fold. Step down, add another curve, coming across, and then up, and then one more time. Let's go back to the front and draw the nostril. We're going to go up and in, round this out, and just tuck that in underneath. And it'll fill the nostril in black. Now from here, we want to open up the jaw. Let's start from the corner of the mouth, bend this across, down, and then up. Let's round out the chin, coming down, and then bend that up. Now we're going to go back to the side of the brow on the right side, draw a straight line going across. Let's round out the edge, coming all the way around, and then down towards the bottom. From the chin, we're going to create a fold, stepping down, go up, down, and then back up. Let's add some cartilage on the corner of the mouth with a curve. Go back to the corner of the mouth, add a fold, going up and then down, go back, going up and then down across the side of the jaw. Now we're going to go in and add those teeth. Let's start from the end. Let's add one big tooth coming down and up. Leave a gap, and draw that same size tooth. Now in between, we're going to add two smaller ones. Let's continue in towards the inside of the mouth. Just add those smaller teeth. Let's add a larger one, coming down and up, and then a few smaller ones. Now we move down and draw the teeth pointing up. Starting from the end, add one large tooth, leave a gap, add another one, and add two smaller ones in between. Now I'm going to add a few more, coming towards the inside of the mouth. Now here we want to see the back side of the mouth, so starting up at the top, bend this down, and then out, and it'll fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around those teeth. Now from here, we're going to go all the way over towards the right side and draw on that propeller. Let's start with a circle right in the middle, going all the way around. And we'll add 3 propeller blades going around that circle. Let's start with the one going up in an angle. So start with the left side going up towards the top and curve in the opposite direction down towards that circle. Let's add 2 more coming out. Let's start with the one on the inside, coming down, bend the inside. Let's add 1 more in between, going out towards the right. Now we're going to draw an oval going in behind the blades. Let's start with the inside coming down, round out the bottom, and go back up towards the top. From the top and bottom of that oval, we go across and then down towards the back, round this out, coming in towards the bottom, and we'll add a trim along the side. Let's place that wing on top of the engine. From the top of the oval, step up, draw a straight angle line going all the way out towards the tip of the wing, round out the wing, and then taper that back in. Now from the back of the engine, we're going to step over, draw another straight line going out. Let's draw that one small wing going up, round this out, and then come down. Now I'm going to go back to the top of the head. We're just going to bend the body, going out and then down in behind. Go in between the propeller and the wing. Continue down in behind that small wing, and then out towards the back. Now when you come down towards the bottom, we're going to bend this out and then up. Now let's take that wing, flip it over so you can see the back end in behind the head. So we're going to start up here, go out and up, round out the wing, coming back in. Now we're going to draw that large fin across the back. Go straight up, in behind the wing, go up towards the top, round out the top, coming back in. Let's add that tire. We're going to start with 2 straight lines coming down, round out the bottom. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to draw a small circle, and then trace that circle along the outside. Now just in behind the brow, we're going to draw that large cabin. We're going to go up, around, and then back down. Along the bottom, we're going to add that seam. And then along the top, we're going to add the frame of the window, starting in the center. And we'll add one more curve in the middle. Now along the bottom of the jaw, we're just going to add a little bit of texture of scale. So starting from the bottom, we're going to go out and then up, leave a gap. Just going to add 2 more. Now we're going to go in the opposite direction along the bottom, going down and then in. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Bombardino Crocodilo. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.